You're about to waste another winter doing nothing, scrolling, thinking, I'll start next year. You said the same thing last year, didn't you? Look at you. Still stuck in the same body, same habits, same cycle. And the worst part? Deep down, you know you could have been more. This winter isn't your break, it's your test. And most men will fail it. Winter isn't the season to slow down. It's the season that forges discipline. While others hide from the cold, you build in silence. This is when you separate yourself, when you train alone, when you read instead of scroll, when you fix your sleep, your diet, your purpose. The winter arc isn't about comfort. It's about transformation through discomfort. It's about waking up before the sun, training when it hurts, and watching yourself become the man you said you'd be. Here's how you win this arc. 1. Set your vision, not goals, vision. Who do you want to be by January 1st? 2. Pick 3 non-negotiables: gym, routine, focus. No excuses. 3. Cut distractions. Every scroll, every dopamine hit, delete it. 4. Stay cold, literally and mentally. Cold showers, cold mornings, colder discipline. Remember, comfort kills men. And this winter, most will choose warmth over growth. But not you. Not if you mean what you say. Imagine walking into the new year unrecognizable. Not because of luck, but because you earned it. No more talking about your potential. No more fake promises. Just results. This winter, every rep, every early morning, every silent night, it all compounds. And by the time spring comes, you won't even recognize the man in the mirror. So here's your choice: hibernate like the rest, or rise in the cold. Winter Arc 2025 starts now. Finish the year as a different man.